Ever saw it? Ever saw it? Ever saw it? You ever saw it?
Have we ever saw it? Ever saw it? Ever saw it? Have we ever saw it? Have we ever saw it? Ever saw it? Ever saw it? Have we ever saw it? Have we ever saw it? Ever saw it? Ever saw it? Have we saw a real nigga from the streets and grew up in the jungle, hustling from a squad, stealing hustling from a squad. I never had it easy. Still I'm crying for him, nigga. Still I'm praying for him, nigga. I'm gonna back in the city. Getting in the city, hustling in the city for him, nigga. I'm gonna get it for the people, for the chat, for the bitches, for the squad, for the love, for the. When I'm getting there, when I'm getting hot in this God. Never get there, and I'm hustling out and I'm walking around in this zone. Been smoking blunt every single day, and I'm getting out for the squad. Tell them damn nigga, they be heading on me on the ground, out in the squad. I never give a fuck about hate, I never get a shit about them. I grind hard for my squad every day and night, smoking their weed inside my neck, slamming out there, feel the pressure out of my heart, yeah. And I'm the real from the south. I came out on that note that said I'm coming out for my squad, nigga. Have we ever saw it? Have we ever saw it? Ever saw it? Ever saw it? Have we ever saw it? Have we ever saw it? Ever saw it? Ever saw it?
It's real Sisty from Mandeni. Yeah, came up from Mandeni. We are here and against from women abusing. Yeah. Real Sisty. Street source music. Thank for everybody who voted for Real Sisty. And I'm here. I'm gonna make sure that I'm taking over. Yeah, I ain't got no time to waste. I'm Real V, and everybody gonna know that. Yeah, gonna see that. I came from nothing, but still I have nothing. But I thank for everybody who showed up for me. Your love have TMI for me. And now I ain't there. But still I'm on the ground. I know that I'm gonna get it. Because of having you on my side, covering me. So the track I've did right now, it's by me. The beat is did by Gosi. Yeah, it's Real Sisty. The track I'm gonna split right now. It's called Cover Me. Yeah, the last track that was playing, it's Real Sisty. Better get it. Yeah.
For my life, for my life, for my life, for my life, I will grind, I will grind. For my life, I will grind, I will grind. For my life, I will grind, I will shine. For my life, I will grind, I will grind. All down in my own husband. For my squad, I know I'm gonna make it. All this pain all day, all night. I know I'm gonna make it. Yeah, I know God gonna cover me. I know they're gonna cover me. All alone. Cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me. I know that there's nothing. Cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me. When I know it's go down, all I know is pray. When I know it's go down, when I know it's pray. I know they pause on my knees. When I do go down, when I see my head, all my niggas in my head. Hey, started up to the back with the streets. I be hustling on my niggas. I'm a crowd. Never pay go. Gonna make you flowing. Big so my nigga. Hey, I just don't know about my nigga. Man, it's feel like I'm staying my nigga. But I know that I'm covering my nigga. But I know that I'm covering my nigga. Down in my zone, hustling for my squad. I know I'm gonna make it. All this pain every day, all night. I know that I'm gonna make it. I know God gonna cover me. I know they're gonna cover me. Oh, cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me. I know that I'm perfect. Cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me. Yeah, yeah. Being on the ground, being on the streets, hustle every day. I know I'm gonna make it. Yeah. Everybody here know me. Grew up, I never had a thing. I never hit it easy. I never hit it easy. I never hit it easy. Find my nigga like, hey, all the circles coming, I'm gonna get. For my niggas, I already know. I really lives in the south. Back in the eddy. I jumped in the city. I walking around. I be searching for always. Fall over me. Got a plan on my money, my nigga. I'm gonna spend money, I'm gonna make it. Be 55. I'm gonna make it. Yeah, I be in the grind. I be in the streets, be in the streets. Being hustle on squad. I know that I'm gonna make it. I know I'm gonna make it. For my squad, I know I'm gonna make it. On this train all day, all night. I know that I'm gonna make it. I know that God gonna cover me. I know that God gonna cover me. All alone. Cover me, cover me, me, cover me.
I know that ain't perfect.
Cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me, cover me. Yeah. Riri.
Yeah.
Taking over, take over, yeah.
Oh.
We are getting it
Yeah.
over. Steady back to the street, man.
Yeah.
We are
Yo.
here, man, and taking over. We be round the MK1.
Yeah. You're live at Mandeni Lockdown House Party. This is my nigga versus my face. So what's up? What's up? Who's rolling with Sicelo Zungu? Putam, you
Yeah.
killed the stage. How's it, bro?
Yeah, I'm really good. I'm doing good.
You feel well?
Yeah, I feel it way.
Fethu ushayisha down ke performance yakho fethu versus utholakala kanjani umusic wakhe ama-fans akhe ahamba
Yeah,
kanjani?
yeah, over Sisty, I'm Thola. Instagram, Thola Sisty. Facebook, I'm Thola Sisty. Twitter, I'm Thola Sisty.
Sure,
Yeah, I've been dropping my latest track. You can even check me on Mood. I'm there.
sure,
No,
sure.
Yeah, I'm still grinding hard to get it, but no, I'm gonna make it.
Too much bafethu manje ni lockdown
Bless,
house party
bless.
bafethu versus lona but wami kuleli veki abantu besifazane iyaqhubeka fethu siphuma enyangeni yabantu besifazane sese ku September kodwa siyabona ukuthi kuyaqhubeka ukuhlukumezeka abantu besifazane uthina lokho njenge artist nasemandeni.
I know that is not such a great thing, that is happening.
Sure,
So because the women are really important for us as men, we really need them. As
Sure.
having more people in life, we really need
Sure.
to have women in our life. So
Sure.
abusing women is not right. It's not great. So all you gotta do is just stop it. As a musician, as me, I'm doing whatever it takes to show people the really way on which how to live life.
sure.
Yeah.
That was versus bafethu mandeni lockdown house party bafethu. We're moving on to another performing artist bafethu Enivo Delene Makaya. We're moving into NDK bafethu. What's up?